How to publish a website in Squarespace. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can publish your Squarespace website. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to open your Squarespace, and this is my basic dashboard, and this is the website that I have right now. This is the test site that I've created just for the tutorial purposes, and here you can see I'm using the free trial right now. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on this three dots right here, and then you're going to click on this option which says settings. When you open that, okay, so when you come here you're going to find a menu on the left of your screen, and here you can see you have an option of site availability. Click on this option and you're going to find another set of settings, and here you can see upgrade to publish. I have to basically upgrade my version to publish my website, but if you have upgraded version, if you're using the paid version of Squarespace, you'll basically get an option to publish your website. Just click on this option and your website will be published. This option will also be available to you. Make it public website. You can just go on and click on this option and anyone can see your website. So this is how easy it was. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.